Give me a hug.
Ah, there. Ah.
Come here. Give me a proper hug. Oh my God. Hello everyone. I hope this 21 period of lockdown is treating you guys well. I know everyone's really bored and so am I, and but I'm taking this time off to pamper myself and do stuff that makes me feel great. What I'm about to tell you guys now is a home remedy for hair. And you know, whenever I have told this to any of my friends, they've had the most dramatic reaction. They're like, what? This is so gross. We cannot do it. How can you even think about this? Blah blah blah. I get like the strangest of reactions, and the first reaction is no, we cannot do this. इसके अलावा हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, but ये नहीं कर सकते. That's like what I have heard most of my friends say whenever I tell them I do this. But it is actually an Ayurvedic way of battling hair fall. It prevents hair fall, hair thinning, and it also prevents graying of your hair. So let me tell you what this is. This basically has onion juice in it. Yes, it's onion juice. Don't fall off, guys. It works. I will tell you more about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix onion juice and coconut oil, because onion juice is like literally like water. So the consistency is too thin. You need something strong, like a little more like texture to keep it in your hair. Otherwise, it will be all over your face everywhere, and that's a mess. So with onion juice, the thing is it's really cold. It makes your body feel really cold, so you cannot keep it for longer than 30 minutes. Like I've done that mistake once. I was coming back from shoot, and I thought the journey would not be longer than 30 minutes, but it was a 1 hour drive, which actually gave me a brain freeze. So I've run from my car to my hotel room so that I could wash my hair. But I've done this before and it really works. Also, the science behind it is that onion juice is very rich in sulfur, which works on your hair follicles, and also an antioxidant called catalase, which again strengthens the hair follicles, which helps you kind of prevent hair fall, and also I think it promotes hair growth. So this is something that is super simple. It's something you can do at home. Yeah, it's a great way to pamper yourself. So I will mix and show you how much you need to apply all over your hair, and yeah, just keep it for half an hour max and wash it off. So this is the onion juice. I'm just taking like, yeah, this much should be enough, and I'm going to put coconut oil in it. I'm going to put like, yeah, so like this must be like some 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, which I put. Yeah, and I put like a little bit of, so this is how it looks, just in case you guys want to see, without dropping, of course. Yeah, so it's still quite watery in that sense. Now, because it's so watery, applying it with your hand is not going to happen. You're going to have to apply it with something like, I'm going to use cotton buds to do that. So the makeup wipes that you use, just use that and put it all over your hair. So yeah, I'm taking up some cotton wipes. Here it is. And so the idea is to put it like all around your scalp, and if you have a specific patch which is okay, I'm gonna have to look a little bit up because I don't want that coming on my face. So the idea is to use it on places where you think you have slightly like scantier hair, and just keep applying it through and through your, like, try to make sections, which is a better thing. Of course, I'm finding it really hard to do it right now, but you have to just start feeling like your scalp is getting moist, and that is what should work. Yeah, I can feel my scalp getting moist, so that is happening. I'm keeping my eyes shut because if this goes in my eyes, I'm not going to be liking it. It's going to burn. Yeah. I'm only waiting to see my friends' reaction when I put this up, and then they're like, oh my god, you actually put this video out. It's going to be really funny. And also, like, you know, I think we really ignore the backside of our hair because it's not as accessible. But guys, go all over, because more hair is better, right? Healthier hair all over. See, it's already dripping from my forehead, so you guys have to just keep pushing it. So it's like oil, but I have wet my entire scalp. Okay, so right now this is done. It smells very, very strong, so I know it's not going to be the most fun thing to smell, but tolerate it for half an hour. And also try wearing something that you don't mind getting stained.